Navy Day was celebrated on Thursday at the Navy House, the headquarters of Goa Naval Area. Navy Day is usually celebrated on 4th of December, but due to mega celebration of Navy Day at Sindhudurg, in Goa, Navy Day was celebrated yesterday, said Navy Flag Officer commanding Goa area, Ajay Theophilus. Chief Guest Governor of Goa, Sridharan Pillai, said that the patriotism needs to be inserted in the students as the fast-developing future of the country is dependent on the children. Here comes the most tempting deals on demo motorcycles from Autoke Suzuki Madgaon. Do visit and grab the deals.
Navy Day, as all of you know, is because of December 4th, 1971, where India bombed entire Karachi. And it is a big day for the Navy, the nation per se, because that is one of the days when we actually changed the war. And today we always celebrate the Navy Day on December 4th. This year we had a very grand celebration of Navy Day in Sindhudurg, where the Prime Minister also attended, and the unveiling of the Chhatrapati Shivaji statue was undertaken, which was made by the Navy, and this is all dedicated to the nation. And today also we could not do it on 4th, so we did it on the 14th, because we still wanted to do the Navy Day celebration for the public here, and we involved the children for the first time, because like the Governor also told you, it is the children who are the future for our country. And I think if we all look to bring up these children in the correct way, our country will definitely develop.
Navy Day celebration seems to be very fine, and our national integration is concerned. The program of the kids of course inspired us for the integration of our country, patriotism to be inserted in the students. And of course our school is also, I'm especially congratulating the school students and teachers and those who has given training to them. Our future is dependent on that new generation. 25 crores of people in our country are below 25 years. So our Bharat's future, we are fast moving, developing to become the first country in the world in 2047. I think our expectation. And for that process, these types of programs are giving more enthusiasm. Especially Foga, I am congratulating. He is also under his leadership. He has done everything. We congratulate everybody.
Displaying our real prowess in defending our country. Navy plays one of the biggest roles, and I must compliment all the Admiral who is here, along with all his colleagues, for having a very good function in showcasing what actually is the potent behind the naval presence in Goa and elsewhere, playing a very pivotal role in defending our country.
So INS Mormugaon naval ship has been. So how is it for that Mormugaon taluk Mormugaon? INS Mormugaon नावाची एक नेव्ही शिप और शिपिंग केला.
It's matter of pride for Goa, and especially for the city of Vasco da Gama. Don't forget that the Portuguese came here with a small ship, and that's why it is called Vasco da Gama. So it has got history. Any power of a nation is proved by how strong is its navy, its presence in the sea, how it can defend itself.
नेव्ही आमच्या देशाचे रक्षण करतात, पण इवन सिव्हिलियन लायफान नाल्यार सोशल लायफान ते कितले काम करता. आमच्या गोंयांत तांचे 2 बेजीस आसा आनी ते सगळे आमच्या देशाचे एका वटेन रक्षणूय करता. पूण आमच्या सोशल लायफान आमच्या सिव्हिलियन्साक कितें जाय, एक ऑर्फनेजीक ताणें डीप फ्रिजर दिवप, नाजाल्यार स्कुलान वचून अवेरनेस करप, नाजाल्यार खंयच्याय स्कुलाच्या भुरग्यांक हाडून नेव्हीन कितें ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज आसा, कितें आसा हें सगळें दाखोवप. हें एक दाखोवन दिता की आज गोंया भितर न्ही देशा भितरूच नेव्ही आनी सिव्हिलियन्स हे एका बरोबर मिसळून कॉर्डिनेशनान रावतात. आनी हाचो प्रत्यय आमी आज सकाळीच पळयला, जेन्ना आज एक 42 year old प्रॉब्लेम जो आशिल्लो आज मंगोरील भागात, ते नेवल ऑथॉरिटीजान येवन आपले लँड दिवन तांकां रस्तो बांदपाक एक हें केलो आनी खंय तरी एक एग्जाम्पल सेट केलां की आमी बी नेवल जे ऑथॉरिटीज आसात ते सिव्हिलियन्सा खातीर तितलेच फुडें सरून काम करता. त्या खातीर हांव नेवल ऑथॉरिटीजांचे खरोखरच आभारी आसा.